Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss that how to set passcode lock on Telegram app. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Telegram app and then on the top left corner click on three lines. From here go to settings and then click on privacy and security. Now on the security panel you will see passcode lock option. By default it's off. Click on it and enable passcode. Now you have to enter the passcode that you like. So let me enter my passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, you have to re-enter it for confirmation. You can also toggle on the unlock with fingerprint option, and you can also change the auto lock setting. By default it's 1 hour. And that's it. That's how you can set passcode lock for Telegram app. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.